I'm Raisa Naushin. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this extreme fall transformation. Even though it's blazing hot right now in Bangladesh, but I'm still here for the makeup. I was really confused if I should do a dark eye or a dark lip. Then I decided screw everything, let's do both. And if you're wondering, all the products that I used in this video will be available at banglashoppers.com. So let's get started. As I have very dry skin, I will start with moisturizing my face, and for that I'm taking this Aroma Cucumber moisturizer. I'm applying it on my face and my neck because I'm going to apply my foundation on my neck as well. Now I'm going to do my brows with the Ofra Semi Permanent Brow Pomade. And I'm also curving out my brows with some concealer. Now to hide my dark spots, I'm taking this Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Orange and I'm applying it on the places where I have darkness. And for the foundation, I'm taking the Ofra Silk Peptide Foundation. If you're looking for an oil-free foundation, this is a really good one, and if you have dry skin, you can surely use this one, but make sure that you're using a good moisturizer like I did before applying this foundation. Now to conceal and highlight my face, I am taking the W7 Catwalk Concealer and the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow. And I am applying it on the centers of my face, and then I will blend that out with a beauty blender. What does perfect even mean? I am also applying it on my forehead, bridge of the nose and my chin. And I'm going to use this concealer as my eyeshadow base as well. To set all of that concealer in place, I'm taking the W7 Banana Dreams Loose Powder. And with a fluffy powder brush, I'm going to set the rest of my face. To highlight my brow bone, I am taking the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter. Now let's move on to the actual eye makeup, and for that I am going to take the W7 Desert Dusk palette. And for my first crease shade, I am going to take the shade Wild and I am applying it exactly on my crease with a dense blending brush. This is basically like a brick red kind of a shade which is perfect for fall. And I am applying it all the way from my inner corner up to my outer corners. And to blend out that shade, I am going to take the shade Gobi. Now I am going to take a black single eyeshadow from Ofra and I am packing this all over my eyelids, up to my crease. And with a tiny blending brush and the shade Oasis, I am going to blend out the edges of the black. Now taking the shade Daybreak and Dune Moon, I am going to apply it only on the middle part of my eyelids, and to make it look a little bit more intense, I am going to damp my brush with a little bit of Ofra Makeup Fixer. And make sure that you are not applying this shade all over the lid, just only on the middle part of the eyelid. I am applying some black eyeliner on my waterline, and then with the flat top brush I am going to blend out that shade with some black eyeshadow. And to blend out the edges of the black eyeshadow, I am going back with the shade Wild with a tiny pencil brush. To add some length and curl to my lashes, I am going to take the Balm Mad Lash Mascara. I'm going to add some false lashes later on, but you can surely skip the false lashes because this mascara is really good on its own. As you guys can see, it's quite lengthening and it adds a lot of volume. Now to bronze up my face, I'm going to take the W7 bronzer. I'm basically using this to bronze and contour my face at the same time. and I'm also going to contour my nose with that. So first, with a dense brush, I'm going to create 2 lines across the side of my nose, and then with a blending brush, I'm blending everything out. And for false eyelashes, I'm taking the Ardel lashes in the style 251.
Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm
For blush, I'm taking the W7 Candy Blush.
they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging.
And for highlighting my face, I'm taking the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter, and I'm applying it all over my cheekbones, sides of my forehead, and the bridge of my nose.
Need and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Here comes the crazy part. So first, I am kind of lining my lips with a black eyeliner, and then on top, I am taking the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Unicorn Blood. Basically, what the black eyeliner did was, it made the lip color even more vampy and dark. And that's the look I was going for.
Is there even
And to set all of that makeup, I'm going to take the Ofra Makeup Fixer.
Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling,
As a last step to finish off this makeup, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost in the shade Frostbite, and as it is a little glittery and intense, I'm just going to apply this only on the highest points of my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose.
for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a
And that's it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's transformation, and if you recreate this makeup look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to see those. So yeah, I think that's it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
honey, I'm a perfect 10.